We're gonna play Brookhaven. Don't mind why I'm in the side that I was doing a role play. On the last time, the last time I played Brookhaven, I had blah 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 a role play. But during that role play, me and my friend decided to go in a helicopter at the police station, and it's very glitchy. Okay, then you don't have to fix this. I actually love this. Wait. Okay. For an example, I'm just gonna go to 80. Then, I just wanna do that for a bit, you know. Gonna go a little bit faster. 47. It can go up to 8, 51, 55, 59, 50, 63, 8. There. It can only go up to 80. I'm trying to press. Okay. And then soon you will see what I mean. So, you know, we don't see nothing. What we do now. Okay. Now, I'm going to jump out and see what happens to my helicopter. Yeah, this happens. I don't think that's supposed to happen to a helicopter in Brookhaven. People are going to be wondering what is happening with that helicopter, with the actual macaroni, and now it's stuck in the ground. See what I have to deal with? Oh, and it just felt like the world. So, this is what I mean. They are very glitchy, and why can't I die? Okay, and yeah. So the whole video is just glitching the Brookhaven helicopter. Perfect. You know, you need. Wait, what? That's actually so cute. Cool. 61444. Guys, please tell me what is this for. I want to know. It's like a code. I want to type that in chat. 61444. 61444. Nothing happened. So by the way, you need premium to do this, to get a helicopter. But like, what is that? Please tell me in the comments what that's about. And this whole video is just us just doing glitchy stuff. So I really want to try something then. So you know at the airport, and then like there's a plane. You can't actually get into it though. I'm gonna try. And don't worry, I've already tried going into another helicopter, and then it just didn't do anything, literally. It wouldn't let me go through their helicopter. Oh gosh, let's go up a bit. So do you see that plane? I don't know if you do. But like, that one right there. Okay, yeah, we're gonna try diving into it. Oh no, you actually can go into it, I think. Ah! Oh, guys, this is not supposed to happen, I swear. Wait, I think that's that's a plane that you go into. But I haven't tried this one out yet, because my friend said there's no plane, but there is. He be lying. I'm trying to go forward. Oh, and let's get out of this for a second. Go back in. Oh no. And then, okay, wait. I'm gonna try diving into the floor. Okay, that's exactly. And then let's try diving down. That did not work how I wanted to. But we're gonna dive into the plane and see if our helicopter. I'm having a bit of difficulties. So let's do it. Okay. Bro, it's not how I Ah, no. Okay, so I guess it's just like, okay, that didn't work. So I just spent like 2 minutes on that. So let's try and dive into some buildings. I'm gonna try trolling people and go into their house. Why would it let me? I don't want to go down. No. What? Okay, guys. Yeah, my helicopter is deciding to walk. That was not supposed to happen. I'm happy that happened. So I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna go to the toilet. I'll be right back. You guys can watch this, how the helicopter goes. I'm back. Okay. No. Wait, actually, this could be good. We could go with the map and pause on it. Well, actually, I won't pause it because, and I didn't actually go to the toilet. I just wanted to see what would happen. What are we doing? Wait. What is this? Wait, we might actually make it. Oh, it just went up to like 200 speed. What the frick? 100? It's only allowed to go up to 80, and it went like 90. 147. Okay, guys, I actually am not continuing this. It just fell through the map. Hi, Mr. Policeman. Whoa. I want to say hi, Mr. Policeman. Police. Why am I taking so long to type? Hi, policeman. What are you gonna say? Okay, you say nothing and you run away. That's great. Guys, please translate this. I do not understand anime. Oh no, that does not say anime. What if I go as a baby? This can be perfect. I had to rejoin because I disconnected while I was at the bathroom. Okay, let's try this again. So, what was I gonna do again? Get changed or something. Oh yeah, I was gonna go small. Okay, let me do that right now. Because it's perfect. Now let's go. Please translate that. Dog. Please translate that. Ooh. I want to be what? Yes. Asura. Bariaria. Oh no. What? Guys, I think something happened. Let me spawn another one. Okay, so like, there's already a helicopter up there. What? No, it's not my helicopter. No. I'm resetting. I mean, that was a good glitch. I just heard an explosion. No, that's not mine, right? That's not mine. There, now it's perfect. I move this? Guys, help. You guys know how to do this, right? Guys, why am I going 0 speed? I'm not going 0 speed. No. Wow. Wait, the other one's flying too. What? Guys, we just did massive glitch. Wait, what if I'm trying to turn it up. What? Guys, I don't know if this is supposed to happen. Uh-oh, let me look at the chat. I know. Sorry, my mom just came in, but what? What if I fall out? What about my helicopters? Guys, help. No, actually, but like, if they get... Why are you singing so much? You know, I want to do a loop-de-loop. Yeah. No! Oh, I'm going to go on this one. Oh! Okay. Whee! Okay, I want to go to the place where you can, like, fly with the thing. I'm going to see if I can find it. Okay, guys, I was about to go to Eagle View, but what the actual... Is that Grimace? Grimace, I want to try your shake. Okay, you know what? I'm actually just going back to a high Eagle View. Guys, I can't seem to find it. Didn't tell me they took it away. No, I think it's up there, is it? I think so. I just turned on my creator cams. So, like, yeah. No, it doesn't look like it's up there. Whatever, I'm still gonna see. No, I think it would be on a... No, it's not there, I don't think. Let's see. No. Oh, that's just great. I need to find it. I don't care. I need to find it. Wait, guys, wasn't it near that, like, abandoned house? Oh. Yeah, I think so. So I need to find the abandoned house. Isn't that near, like, Gold Ranch? I actually can't find it. No, this can't be. I guess that is all for today. Bye-bye. Wait, actually, tell me what type of video I should do next. Like, and hopefully the comments will be on. So comment what I should do next and what type of stuff I should do.